Hello, hello, what's up, everybody? I am up. I am up. Oh my god. Excuse me, I'm being created. Um, in a few minutes. Alright, you give me a sec. Okay. And three, two, one. Okay. Sorry, folks. I'm awake. I gotta wake. I gotta wake a lot earlier than expected, but still was not able to wake up fully and on time. Um. Anyway, I am David Warner. How y'all doing? I am going to start. I'm going to do a prep run. I would say a prep run for the game jam. I'm going to do a prep run for a game jam. Yeah, it's kind of really soon. This is for the EpicMegaJam. I usually participate in these type of jams. Usually. Sometimes I can't, don't because I have things to do. But then again, this is what the only jam I always wanted to join whenever I can. Sometimes I couldn't because I had again obligations I needed to do. But this time I'm pretty sure I'm pretty straightforward. Want to try to get this going. Okay, so out of the way. I think there's gonna be some things I want to try to accomplish, and I actually set up a little schedule on my thing. Real quick, first things first is I think what I'm gonna try and do for this Sunday. My biggest plan right now is this Sunday is to do a plugin for scoring, time attack saves, etc. with subsystems. Subsystems are subsystem code is if I can recall correctly is a very prototypey way to make common code assets usable when making games. Like you can pretty much use these subsystems within any game with any type because it goes pretty much straightforward, simple. As what that's what I'm trying to explain. But again, that's coming up from the top of my head. But yeah. First, of course, first things first. I need to go. I need to set a way. I go ahead and set up in a certain way that I want to do that allows either a scoring, time attack, or a save. So I think what I'm going to try is go for first person. Here, first person or third person project. I mean, this is like a brand new project right in here, but yeah. First person map. We're gonna start using this. Okay. Let's move you aside and Oh yeah, what we're saying. That's a very good question. That's two iOS playing game. Da, da, da. You're probably not gonna hear any audio from my main system because I don't think I have it set. I think I have it set up properly. I mean, I may have. I think I might have actually. Actually, hold on a second. Let me do this. No, wait. I do. Wait. I think I do. No, I don't. No, I don't think I don't. Ooh. Maybe it's a bit loud. 1 second. I think it'll work. I guess it's gonna be work with audio list for a while now. Let's just get fixed. No, I figure no, I figure I could go and knock it off. Okay, so where do we start from here? Well, let's work on this gal. And one plan is make a UI to have a score, maybe a time attack, and to be honest, I think that saves will be saving the score and time attack. And once I got that out of the way, want to try out meta sound. All this is pretty much prep for myself to do these because I'm gonna be doing the jam on myself in preparation for their modifiers, the one man army. So if we look at all this, what the heck? Here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna create a new class. I'm gonna look for subsystem. And there's a lot of subsystems here, like blueprint. There's a particular subsystem we're looking here for. And it could be like game instance subsystems, local, world. Okay. Dynamic. Oh, I need to look up which subsystem to look for. Subsystems. Real quick. Game instance create instance also. Okay, so maybe I'm looking for a game instance subsystem. Awesome. Okay. Sorry if I'm like my thoughts trying to get all this out of the way. Okay, I think it might be just my game is stuff. Okay, we're gonna start with you. And let's call, what do I want to call this? Wait, this is gonna be a plugin. So real quick. So what I really should have done is like make a plugin, and I think this could be content or is it blank? This is gonna be a blank. This is going to be a blank one. And this is gonna be something. I'm gonna call it prototyping. I guess I'll make prototype. Let's call it that. Let's call it that. And I'll call it me. And I'll call it. Leave that at that. There we go. We got thing called prototype up. Okay. Prototype plugin, got scores, public, private, awesome. What I want to do next is now create new class. And for this one, I think make sure this can be on the prototype plugin. We're gonna name this we're gonna name it in its new folder. Oh no, not that way. Let's call it prototype. Hold on, think a bit. No. Sub. Let's do that. Sub. This. And I'm gonna call this the. Oh, what I think I'm gonna call it the. No, actually, instead of calling it prototype stuff, I'm gonna call it scoring subsystems. And all of this is just to make a simple thing to work with. Live code, of course, not my live coding. Let me real quick look into our blueprint. It's our first person. We don't have game instance to go with. Speaking of game instance, I may actually go create one. Get create a folder for that. Prep jam and prep jam. We have 4. In this core, it's going to be a game instance. Okay. I'll go for a knit here, and I want to see if I can actually get the okay, this is in here for the prep one. Cool. Okay, we got a few things ready to go in here. For this one, we need picture taken out. And I just need to get something else here. Let's see if we record this one. 1 second. What's wrong with this? Let's see. Orange it. Oh wait, no. This is warming up. No. Not warming up. Okay. What I'm looking for is like thing to add in our initialize and deinitialize. What this thing has is like what I need to do for this. Like I think I need to have a way to have these all initialized first when it gets loaded in, and a way to get these uninitialized later on. And what I was hoping to do is like was go to have a go through a quick action and refactoring stuff and search for I don't think is similar members or something like that, but it is something I could add the grab the function grab they already said function here, but it's not doing that, so I think I have to do it manually. And I don't need to type it all, type everything in. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I guess we have a right click. I can hit this and like, what the heck? Not doing exactly what I was hoping to do. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can open and close this. Action. Text go here. Oh, come on. Oh, come on now. Okay. That's a little annoying. Oh. Is it you scoring or A scoring? That's so annoying. Okay. This is a void. Okay, next up, for scoring, we're gonna need a couple things. I think view properties, I think was name, or may have named it wrong, and this will be like scores will be basically just 1032 score. Blueprint read only. Category. Score. You know what I think will be like. Ask score. No, it's gonna be this gonna be a void. When down big things void. Function blueprint something. Oh my god. Sometimes when things are not actually going your way, it's going to do some stuff that's annoying. All right. And if that's going to be the case, I'm going to do this. So closing down real quick. I'm also going to close you down. And I'm going to try to get open you back up through a folder. Opening this up. Okay. There we go. Blueprint call. Oh my god. That's what I was trying to do. Blueprint call, getting category, score, all that jazz going. And right clicking and really? Like, are you really gonna make me a type of all this in? Okay. Subtrace. Crap. And right click. Oh, there you are. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, cool. I gotta do a lot of opening and closing just to get all this set up. I think I'm not going to do a build through the Visual Studio. Instead, I'm just gonna have it open up just like this. I'll eventually get to it later on, but right now I just want to get this get most of these things out of the way. For this one, initialize. I think I need to get up a super. Because I don't have anything super special about anything initializing and de-initializing. Other than doing score stuff. Let's see, I need to clamp this. I don't want to have it say -1 or 2. I want to say score. Okay. Okay, making sure. Like sometimes I look at it, the thing says score, and I feel like I might have misspelled something. It's like it's a weird thing. I'm looking. That looks weird. Okay. You don't want to you don't want to be callable. I think the thing called Pure. Yeah, Blueprint Pure. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, there we go. What else I'm doing here? Okay, for subtracting score, we're getting score. How about high score? This does need to be a pure. And we'll go clear score. This one's gonna be very straightforward. I think for this one, I need to make it clamped. I'm also trying to remember the path library. Clamp. Actually, it's gonna be like Mac. And the max is either gonna be A, could be 0, or or subtract. Okay. I'm gonna do it that way because there's a possibility that it will misremember it. Okay. No, we're definitely getting the score added in and moved in. Maybe you want to get a high score for this. I mean, we could probably I could probably leave the high score in a different blueprint where it saves all the scores, but it's a possibility. I think this is actually enough, good enough right now, especially for this plugin. Let's see. Get scoring system, and what I have in that scoring system? Do I have my add score? I do. I have my subtract score. Here's the score. Okay, I got all my. Let's see, I got get score where I get my actual score. Cool. What else? Clear score where I get this clear the score. Oh, one more thing. I could probably add an add score and it'll give me a negative add score. Let's just make sure that this score is absolutely just that. I don't want any negative. Okay. Okay, cool. Let me go back into our first person map. And let me actually create a couple things here. We got a projectile and the projectile is a ball. I want to add in two things. Blueprint class. This is gonna be a actor called BP underscore spawner. This is basically gonna be a box. And this box is going to have no collision. I also think I need the act location. I don't know why I'm thinking that. On new card. And then go ahead and create another one for call BP underscore target. It's gonna look, and this one's gonna look like just like that ball. Just this one. And I need this to be a block dynamic. And this thing also needs to hit something. If other component or was it other? First person projectile. Projectile hit. I want to make. Do I want the target to give out a point, or do I want the? Yeah, I figure that for this one, I want the target to give out a point. And let's say let's give out 5 for hitting it. We didn't want this to ever say, if anybody's listening to this, add the score to 5. Add the score to 5 points. And the score. This act. Ugh. Okay. Where do I want the score to be coming from? I want this to be coming from here. Since we want some kind of mediator to listen to the score. This is still begin play, and I have to call it get active class. We want to get the spawner. Just gonna make a we do a spawner and I think we want this to we want this to have the spawn new target call from here. Okay. Go create a new actor. Going to split. And this is going to get a I'm gonna get a random vector. Half size, center, hold up a second. Hold on a second. Projectile hit. Is it projectile hit? Yeah. Okay, and I want to send this back to maybe the game mode. Let's just call it custom event. To be very honest, y'all, I don't want to. What I don't want to do is actually create, add a. What I don't want to do. What I don't really want to do right now for this one, I don't want to add a as it. Bro, I'm real. Just kind of do my thing. Oh, this is one of the little feed-to-be things. Ooh, I'm a little tired and everything. Oof. What was I thinking again? Oh yeah, pretty much trying to make a where'd they go? All right, it's just I'm blanking out. What the heck? Oh no. It is heavy, but since but I'm actually dual streaming. I'm pretty much streaming from one PC and having the information, having the screen from another PC be loaded in. So that lighten the load. Right, immensely, like very immensely. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing this, and you'll be seeing a talking head from Discord. Interface. Here we go. Turn this way. And we'll go that way. See if that will work. I think that will work. No, that's work. You got me, my big old freaking fingers. Where is Agnes for? You. Wait, no, this is Prep GI. What the heck? Wrong area. What the heck am I doing? No. This is supposed to be in here. All right. S4 and this. It should be fine. Now the last thing we're gonna need to do is make a UI. And how simple, how complex do I want to make this? What do I want to make this UI for? I want this to be. There's a user widget. Hold on a second. We don't have the common one. I mean, we can do the common, or we could do the basic one. I think for me, I want to use the common instead of waiting for the. I want to have the common UI instead of just using the regular user interface. One of the biggest reasons why is because I just want to get the. I think I want to use their thing. Yes, I want to use their thing. I keep forgetting it. This thing is as named, but I don't remember these names of the thing. Don't worry, this thing is gonna be coming to me real soon. Common UI. Come on, wait. Activate widget. common user widget. BP, this is the game UI. It has something particular name, but layered is no, oh my god. It has been empty. Overlay. There we go. Yeah, I did all this for overlay. No, not just an overlay. There is a particular one. Action widget. This is not it. Oh, but definitely looks definitely have this little point here. Export here. Visualize the image. I know it's here, but I just don't know what's the name. Export here. Okay. We'll worry about that later. Like, it's not it'll come to me once I remember what it is. But for right now, I just need to have something to stack. No, that's not it. Here we go. Common activated widget Q or stack. Q or stack. That's what I was trying to figure out. That was his name. Is it Q or stack? Only one widget at the top, the stack display, and all others are deactivated. When widgets deactivate, it automatically moves from widget. When the topmost is deactivated, it automatically moves to preceding entry. And the preceding entry is display activated. Okay. Okay. We want the stack. Main UI, and if I ever want to pause, I want to have the pause UI. There we go. The next one, I need to go here, do common. Activable widget. Call this main game UI. This one is gonna have the canvas because I am a bit lazy when it comes to adding score. For this one, let me make it just a simple text. I could use a common text, but I think we'll make it. We're gonna use text because reason. Let me make the font of this a bit more bigger than that. Let's see, is that actually okay? I think it's okay. We can vortex, and we want to update score. This will have the int to no, not int. Let's call it int. It's called enter to in the code, but here we just call int. And maybe we'll have a high score real quick. Okay. Text. Miracle text. What would that look like? Score is greater than high score. High score is equal to scoring, and high score text. High score. Okay, and that's kind of basically it. Now before this one, we didn't have this loaded. We'll do this very simple. Main game, all main game UI. Let's see. Some things got updated. Something we want to update, I think. I don't remember how, what. It has to go through, but it may have to go through the game UI in order for it to update. Oh, what's this? Valid subsystem. Do you not like it? Or yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, wait a second. Where's my... Yeah, it's in there. That's so weird. Is that something I'm going to expect? Like when I close and open the project, it's going to ask if it has the plugin or not, or has the subsystem. That's so strange. Good thing I'm learning about this and figuring this out right now. Otherwise I'd be questioning it for a while. Okay. Ask for. Go ahead and ask for. We need to update. And I think we need to update someone that's going to be listening to for. First and foremost, where's you guys be popping up? Let's start from here. We'll create a WV and we're gonna make this main widget. Add the viewport, I think. And see when we ask for main widget and no, not call ask for. Then we get update. There we go. There we go. We update this just like so. There we go. Okay, as UI, no spawner. And we're getting an error because this thing doesn't exist. Okay. Here we go. That's Connor. If I shoot this, that's a score. Oh, cool. Wait, if it's going to do, is it going to do that? 1, 2, 3. Right, hold a second. Hold a second. Hold a second. Okay, on projectile hit. Okay, we got, and we want to spawn new target. There we go. Okay. All right, what's happening here? At score and and adding the score. Is it? Oh. Here we go. Bam. Bam. There we go. There we go. Doing that. It's probably doing something like this. That's script simple. Okay. Of course, I have a high score in here. Awesome. Of course, we have a high score in here, so I want this to remember the high score. And I want to be able to save that high score somehow. So I think I might be a good idea to segment to the next one. I say segment to the next one. The other one's like time attack, but I think I'm gonna go skip that one for save. And let me go ahead, actually create another new class. This one's gonna be again substitute. This is going to be for game instances again as well. Prototype plugin. This will be under substance. Saves us. And real quick, if y'all don't mind, I want to go in my sources, figure out how that works. real quick. Still searching for it. I don't see it. Okay. We want to save stuff, and that's about it. I think I'm also gonna need to make a save as well. The thing is, though, I'm just trying to see if it's actually a way for me to save data without just trying to do something like this. Okay. Let's do this. We'll do a basic save game, and we'll just make, and we're gonna call this for save. What the heck? No. What the heck? No. Don't open that one. New folder. Save. I'll let it come to me. I'll let it come to me soon. But right now, it's like there's a way to have create a save system, have a save, and save all the data. It's just I just don't remember exactly how to get that going. So apologies. I'm gonna try a different method right now. Public. You basically just need data. Property. Blueprint. It's not gonna be blue. I don't think they need blueprint. Callable. It's just need blueprint read write. Save game. Save. Now I'm doing saving a new. Saving a new high school. That's it. That's all I need here. At least from this one. I don't think I need anything else. I even this. Unless but anyways, if y'all know how to do a save system with substance, please leave it down in the comments. Because I'm sure there's a way to do it. I'm just not sure if that that's actually if this is the proper way to do it at all. Save system. Initialize this. Wrong one. And we also want to take class from use for state. Load it, save, make this a pointer. Or actually, hold on a second. I want to try to do this more, this type more often. The object pointer. Usually, because usually I've been seeing this more often than the usual. I say value, but I don't know. It's not the word value. Type pointer thing. I want to try to practice use that more often. I want to make this to property. Save data. Okay. How do I want to do this? We want to void load save. already doing some pseudo scripting, my top of my head scripting stuff. You want to load save. You want to maybe create new save. Do we want to do I want to set the slot thing? Let's see. I think I do. Create new save, load new save. We also want to update, save. Yeah, these are like right on top of my head, thinking, okay, do I want this? Do you want this? That sort. It's not gonna be like. It's not gonna be like. It's not gonna be very clear. It's not gonna be something I go. It's like, yeah, if I type it this way, yeah, I think everybody gonna understand. I'm not gonna understand it because I'm not sure what's going to happen. So I don't know why. It's just how we usually roll. So function and make this blueprint callable. Let's see. Initialize. I definitely want super initialize selection. But for this one, I also want to get the real quick. I'm going for you. C++ save. Save game. What I'm basically trying to do is trying to create a write save game or load save game, and usually in Blueprint, right on top of my head, if I'm making a save, like maybe here, I usually go from like in under here, say, does save game exist? Branch. If it does, load. Load game from slot and that's it. I think this is actually, oh, this is all coming from gameplay statistics. So what I'm probably gonna need is, if that's the case, I'm gonna need that. View gameplay statistics of save game, and we'll be looking for a string and an index. It'll be 0. There we go. This I think is still weird. Years and years, I still don't know how to exactly sort this down from a plugin. Maybe it's probably because this plugin needs a few things to actually have that working. Actually, thinking about it now, I might have to add a few things later on, but that's near here or there. If the save game exists, and I think this one is this one needs the needs something. It needs use save game. And this one's we're using the source save. Cool, we got it. Okay. We're gonna make this callback. couple. And we're also make this. Oh, wait. Decentralized. I want, if it's deinitialized, can I actually, is it possible I can actually do this? Super deinitialize. I need to get around creating this new string name real quick. Update new store. Okay, so this one. work. Let's see. I'm just reading through this and see if it makes sense to me. The idea in my mind right now is like, okay, when this is initialized, it will check for this. It will then get the load save. It's like, okay, cool. And this can it's gonna be done when the game instance is just open. What else here? I didn't add any aiding here special, so like didn't have anything super special about that. So we can update the new score. We can get the new score saved, and in all honesty, we don't. If I'm gonna need to create a new save or load a new save, without looking at this, I don't think I need that. Like these are probably the only two I need, which is weird because I thought I'm gonna need more than that. I think I got most of it ready to go. I think. I don't know. Here's to hoping. Build failed. Okay, here we go. Save undeclared identifier. Okay, and see. That was weird. All right, succeeded. All right, let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look. What's it? Save subsystem. All right. We know it's gonna be initialized at the start, so I don't have to worry about if stasis exists or something like that. I think. Hit or save. All right. Oh wait. What happened to save? What happened if it doesn't exist? Which is a very good point. What happened if it doesn't exist? Usually, in that case, in my mind, it has to be somewhere around here. Oh, here we go. Well, it's gone. That's bad. Does save game exist? French. If not, it's create save game object. Okay. and it's be a decent class of. Yes. Oh wait. That makes sense. There we go. Okay. Reload this again. All right, no issue. Save system, we are going to hit score save, and the first thing I want to check if this thing's valid. And one thing I'm gonna make sure is like warning. I'm only doing this because I want to ensure if this is actually going to work or not. Oh, speaking of instance, I don't think I actually set the instance in here. All right. Warning, score save not valid. Damn it. Okay. All right, first thing is because delay. Okay, it has to be delayed first before to make it valid. Otherwise, if it's not, it's going to complain. But then again, this gets loaded up first. The not this one. The game instance gets loaded up first, and once that gets loaded in, then the subsystems are gonna get loaded in. So if I were to do this and put this in here, like let's make this a sequence. and then post do it in here. This should get loaded in. Just like that. Okay. And since we have the main widget, I can do this, and we can do update the score, get the high score, have that load in, bam. Construct. Let's actually make this a update thing. We get the score. Do we now update the score? Get new score. Get score save. It will save when we close we can close it. Sorry, I just now thought about this. Okay. Unlike my usual an hour, 3 hour thing, this is gonna be a bit more longer because I'm prepping a little bit more. I want to try to prep for this a bit more. And I think I'm going to try streaming a little bit more earlier this time, Monday, Wednesday. Maybe. Don't quote, I probably won't quote myself on that. Score save, and I guess what I want to do is get high score. I like the warrior where I am. I want to check if the score save is valid and make sure that this thing is going to do exactly what I was waiting for it to do. Okay. we should be good. Okay. I seem to lost control with my no, I totally lost control. The F. One second. And alright, my first crash. Let me do this. I haven't because I haven't really did this build properly. I've been just doing some hot reloads. All right. There we go. Let's try again. Interesting. This is the first time I ever said myself I lost control over something. This is this. Input. Should be game only. Huh. Why is it doing that? Okay. Honor. Didn't do anything super special with it, did I? Okay. Is it when I create a widget? Yeah. Definitely. Oh, definitely, totally. All right. This is when I add viewport. Okay. Is it when I push the new thing? Yes. Okay. If that's all it is. All I need to make sure to do is have it not consume my thing. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's kind of weird though. Here we go, 5, 15. Okay, stop. We'll go and stop right there. Close it. And we're going to see if it loads. Yeah, load. There we go. Loads my save. That's simple. Close. You open. Look at that. My save's at 65 now. My high scored at 65. Okay. Although I think I want to I'll update school for real quick so I can get the minimum digital targets to be something. I guess what's youth grouping? Maybe not youth grouping. Ah, that's what youth grouping is for. Okay. You know, I don't want these grouping. Cool. Okay. Actually glad I actually got through the got through this. Okay. Okay. If we close it and reopen it, there's our new high score. Awesome. What we want to reset? What we want to reset the score? I'll get there when I get there. But I think I got all my. I think I got the save. Now I think the last one I do for the last one I really want to do for the plugin is the time attack. So we get I know I have scoring save. I know I know I have saves working in there. And I think this time attack thing's gonna be it's gonna be also be more straightforward because all we're doing is adding seconds. Question is, where we want to add these seconds at? Maybe for one, we don't want to add seconds when the game first booted up, or maybe we want to add seconds when the game starts. So that's gonna be the last one for the for creating the subsystem. And pretty much once I can do the subsystem, I'm gonna move next to creating meta sounds, like music, that sort of thing. Maybe. Actually, I may have some time to do that, but I want to see if I can try to do try to move around that. Here I can do this on Monday, or I can try to do this right now. I think I'll probably do this right now. So I may have to take a quick break after that, but for meta sounds, I'm pretty much want to try accomplish. I want to try at least accomplish that right now, but not now. Now, want to make one more subsystem, and that is a timer subsystem. Now you're probably thinking of yourself, asking yourself, why are you making separate subsystems? Why not make one subsystem instead of like several of them? Maybe and the simple one is maybe I don't want to use all of them. Maybe I want to have maybe I just want to have one of them, or one or the other, that sort of thing. But it definitely is a thing. Let's try game instance. We're gonna make this a subsystem. This one's gonna be called timer subsystem. And this will be under our plugin. Put them our subsystems, and we'll create the class. All right, here we go. And just like my save subsystem and the core subsystem, I need to make sure this subsystem also has this. I mean, especially this. Like. I'm really liking the initialize, deinitialize, because especially for the save system, where it automatically saves our stuff. Although I'm not sure if that's actually something I really want to try. Try to have my games. Although if unless to make this all quicker, then I'm all for it. This one. This one needs to be I think it needs to be a float. Either a float or a double. I'll make this a float. Actually, doesn't need to be a float. Could be like an integer. I'll make this way. We'll make this only blueprint read only, and we'll actually set the category to timer. And here's what I'm thinking. Void, I want to say start timer. Stop timer. Reset time. And the reason why I'm thinking this way, because I want to be able to initiate these times when they get initialized. And also one more thing for I want to add for the save is the a time. I'll call this best time. Don't have anything super special with it yet, but we're going to actually do best time. There we go. Now back to here, we want to start, stop, reset time, reset to 0. So real quick. we also want to get time. I think that's gonna be most of all of it. It's just gonna be I think this one's gonna be very straightforward, easy to go for. Easy to make, I think. Okay. Let's also make this a boolean. Add boolean here. The start timer. If start timer, not true. Let's make this start timer just start off false every time. Okay, going through this and making all this is like straight up basic stuff of learning subsystems. Bit timer and update timer, and this one needs to be repeat that delta. So here we go. Current timer. If start timer, current timer plus equal delta. And so that's kind of basically it. All right, let me go Go in here and get timer subsystem, and let's look for our timer. We have update. We have start timer, out timer, reset time, hit timer, update timer. Okay. And that's literally just kind of basic, all of it. I feel like this is all dead simple, dead simple, especially for making subsystems. But then again, if like I can pretty much actually grab these subsystems and put them into a project, and even though these are simple, this like seems to save like a few minutes of time when it comes to making the game. All right, I think the next one I'm going to end up creating it. I'm going to end up doing is create another text. And let me actually put this text in the center. Top center. No, actually, let's put it on the let's actually put them right here. Call this timer. And what I want maybe is maybe something like this. I don't know how that works. Maybe this way. Okay. I think that's kind of basically it. How do you want timer to be set up though? Okay. Get start time, timer, that's actually time. Get total second. From second. And gives us the days, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. I think this is going to be in milliseconds or it's going to be in seconds. So if that's the case, I need to make this timer the best time and make this the highest number we have. I don't think we need that much seconds, but I think I have a way to convert milliseconds to time. Three. Five, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Hour. Millisecond. Text. Okay. Actually, real quick. Actually, leave it. Let's leave that for right now, and worry about the rest later. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh. Okay. We'll use the I'll go ahead and use the game mode tick to do the timer. I have it do start timer here. Have it do update timer. And then timer. Update timer. I'm pretty much gonna do that for right now. Just I get the feel of it. And crash. I didn't figure that we'd be too much. I mean, I figure it might be too much, but I mean, I think I saved. I hope I saved. If I didn't save, I'll be sad. I'll be a little sad. Okay, I won't be sad. I'll be annoyed. Okay, we're here. Try again. Okay, this is Hmm. Okay. It's not from milliseconds. This is from seconds. There we go. All right, now I knew that's gonna be a thing. Well, I figured it was gonna be a thing, so I'll make this minimum of 3. Make this a minimum of 2. Make this a minimum of 2. There we go. I try. There we go. I'm just taking the time and seeing what the score is going to look like and what the timer is going to look like. Of course, I'm not going to wait for an hour. I am going to basically just wait for a minute. All right, cool. So we're good on time. Let's actually just make these a little more closer. And let's see, we have this, we have the spawner. Target destroyed. We're gonna have this call. Make this a call. Then we're gonna go into game. And sign on target destroyed. And we're gonna make a count. Greater than or equal to 10 to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Awesome. So now we know the timer has stopped, and well, timer is able to stop. Although I think, do I need to actually have this? Do I want this to actually like blinking later on? Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, but we have this. Okay. Okay, it's one more thing. Now looking at this, I think there's one more thing I need to get. Cool. Ask timer stop. Return. If current timer is false, it's going to check. Let's see. Actually, has timer either has timer start or has timer stop. Because if current timer is wrong one. No, that's the wrong one. Wrong one. As timer start. I think that's the name. That's what I want this name. Because I'm also trying to make sense of all of this. This should be it. Okay. And that's the case. Update time. Okay. Test time. Test time text. And I want to go into state. Oh wait, no, wrong one. Update new time. There we go. I'm expecting this. I'm probably expecting this to continue. So I don't want to save a lot, so I'm adding a do one. And then saying to reset here. And once that's all done, apology for the spaghetti code, but just want to get all this set up. All right, we should be good now. Oh yeah, of course. Of course it crashed. Wait. Okay, of course it didn't. Ah. Of course it crashed, but did it save? Yes. Try again. Yeah, of course it crashed. Give me a second. It needs to build. Okay. Three. There we go. There's our best time. If we close. And again, there's our best, and there's our best time saved. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I just realized something. I don't have anything to check if this is the best time or not. Like for instance, is this best time lesser than the one we have? If so, if so, save. Let me actually go back in here and actually set up that prop because it wasn't clear. Less than or equal to the best time. So save. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 13 seconds. Let's try again. Let's make it a little more. Let's try to get slower. All right, it's not the best time, so it won't get saved. Close it. Of course, if I close and open again, it will give me to 13 seconds. And I'll be honest, this all works. This is all, I think, the best. I say the best things that the stage system, subsystem, the timer subsystem can do. Prototypically wise, although I think there might be more potential to subsystems than I'm actually leaning towards. It's not, but it's like how do I say? Yeah, this is very the subsystem here is very basic. I'm pretty sure there might be more complex subsystems for complex things, but this is actually something that can be easily utilized and used, especially for a game jam like this. Like if you're trying to make a game with timers and all that kind of stuff, and save, you can, the best bet you could do is make a subsystem before you start making the stuff, because with all that kind of stuff you're basically just saving yourself some time when it comes to prototyping. I just think there might be a bit more. I need to put a bit more into it, but this is good. Right now, I'm liking. I'm definitely like how it is. I'm definitely refreshing my memory on how this stuff works. I am going to take a break. Because now the next step I need to do is do some meta sounds. Meta sounds with your music and meta sounds with sound effects. I hope, and that will, of course, that also includes getting the audio back down. And I may have to adjust the audio a bit so you won't see anything. So, folks, I will be right back. Be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'm back. How you guys doing? Okay. I'm going to be straight honest with you. This is my very first time doing meta sounds. So I might be popping into doing watching tutorials and that sort of thing. Um, you're probably not gonna be able to hear hand sounds if I play the music here, but this is gonna be the time I'm gonna be turning off the music, that the background music I'm playing, and I'm just gonna turn it off later. All right, there we go. Now we're switching back to the system. That is one that the media screen is gonna be showing off. Wait a second. Wait a second. Make sure I don't have anything playing in the background. But I will be doing a couple of things real quick. One, I say epic surprise sounds, but the Dimillion we love indies have is able to give away certain sounds for, I think, for the jam. I think it's about 100 sounds and 5 music. I believe I already have. I don't have any all of them. I don't have any downloaded, but I think I'm able to play one of them. I hope, unless unless there is a there is a clause that I can't play sound on stream, which is weird. As a clause, how many sets are S's? I should break down for free. Are S's royalty free? Yes, they are royalty free. Sound makes the claim of no additional mechanical performance. We love indies. Since you are using assets. Into the case. Okay, one second. I just need to read this. Since you are using license, that's only licensing the assets for the concrete project. This is unfortunately not possible. Okay. If you do another project thing with the same asset, you must license them again. Okay. Game saved. Single broken up standalone prologue. What about playing audio on here? You know, I did not. You know, I came to stream. Was going to mess. I figured doing mess sounds, but I had not actually thought this through when it comes to playing sounds. Well, I can't do it. Try and forgive later, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try something else. There. I'm going to hold off on sound effects, and I'll probably go to them, see if I can ask the question of playing audio from the list to just to showcase the sounds for the game jam. But for right now, no. Sorry, sorry for being the guy that's trying to be responsible for all this. So I just need to make sure get all of this is actually done properly. You know, I just want to be like professional, all that, you know. Question is, I'm looking for a particular guy, or I just do something very simple. trying to see. I think it's like one that's very short to do. It's done, and once it's been done by I forgot his name. But this is the one. This is the one right here. I think he did this.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, by Chris Murphy.
And then call the name of the thing you want to do when you want to do it. The first section works, right? We can see that we can play sounds and whatnot. But let's go ahead and let's set up some music for out here in this environment. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new meta sound, same as before, and this is going to be called sci-fi music. Now, sci-fi music, apologies, it's not going to...
Okay. Okay. Generator. We got triangles, squares. Triangles are like one of those sounds like that sort of thing.
Going to sound great.
Ooh. I wish there's actually a way to lower the volume here, but noisy. Where? Ow! Ooh! Holy crap! Is there a way I can low? There's no word for volume. Oof. Ow!
All right, very loud square wave. Not particularly wonderful to listen to, but it's the first step in making something cool because it takes a frequency and then plays that audio. And if I wanted to, I can go ahead and I can actually look up
MIDI note.
different notes in different scales. I can then find the frequency of them and play that accordingly.
Okay. MIDI note quantizer, MIDI to frequency. Okay. Scaled note. Huh. I really wish there's like a lower the volume ding. Oof. One, apologies for all you folks listening, but like I'm basically just trying to learn this as well. Oof.
So if I wanted to, check this out, I could go ahead and look up a scale. Let's get a major scale right now for the time being. And the note I play is going to be a value. Let's get a different note every time. So I'm going to get a random float. Okay, going to plug this in. Okay, so that's plugged in. I'm going to get a random float between 60 and 72. And check this.
Random float. I always wonder if we need to have a random. Need some random to do all this. Probably not. I'll fish. Oop. Ow. Am I missing something here? There's like a range of 12. There's a root note. Mm-mm. 6072 is on next. If I put fish, oh,
All right, yes, that's not exactly Mozart, but
oh, that's what's happening. You just clicking on it. Okay, cool.
it's another step closer to making something that I think is pretty cool because we can now see that that's going to play different notes from a different scale. You know, I could even go ahead and get a minor scale and start to get this. All right. Yep, I know. Still not wonderful, but bear with me for a second. Let's make this more interesting. First thing we've got to do is we
Mm-hmm.
need it to sound less horrible whenever a note plays. It's playing that square wave. But if we want to, we can use that same thing as we used before. The envelope, which kind of brought the sound up over time, can actually be used to bring it up and down again. So if I wanted to get an envelope that automatically goes down again, I could do that here. I'm just going to multiply them together. And all we're going to do is I'm going to say, hey, whenever you play a note, I want you to take this long to go in.
Okay. AD envelope. Mm-hmm. Let's give that a shot. Ooh. All right.
Okay, that's kind of working. Let's get this automatically repeating and playing itself to a BPM so that I don't have to keep mashing that button. So same as before, I'm going to set up a BPM and I might as well go ahead and make that a variable, which I'm just going to call.
All right. BPM second and trigger repeat. Starting all this still. When it's set to 0, repeat indefinitely until stop. Cool. BPM second. Okay, interesting. 90. Ow. Okay, what? 120, I think. Hmm. Okay. This is definitely I need to come back later on because it's like there's pretty much more to all this hit noise and all that kind of stuff. I think there is a possibility to make drums and snares and kicks through this, but right now I don't have that yet.
BPM. Okay.
And possibly a little more research.
All right. That's not great, but that's okay. Because what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to start to treat this as something that we can make a little bit more interesting. Because I can go ahead and I can look up this amount of time, and I can make this last for only that period of time. Okay. So for instance, if I wanted to, I could get this, and I could say to this, I want to send this time out as a variable that I'm going to call bar time. This is going to be how long a bar takes. And because of that, I'm going to set this division of whole note to be 1 so that it takes a little bit longer between. Now over here, I can at any point receive a time, which in this case is bar time.
If I have time on Tuesday, I think I'll probably do the music a bit more again, especially try and make especially for this way. Let's see, 10 times. Right. Set app time. Wait. Hello. Did they took this out? Hold on a second. Send and receive deprecate. Okay. You promote a variable send and call that variable when you receive. Okay, so it's been deprecated. Shoot. Wait. Now what? Hmm. Variable. Okay, so here's seconds. Let me actually take that. Let me name. This is me doing experimentation because something has been updated.
And I can plug this in to make it last for this amount of time, but I don't quite want that. I actually want to get this and make it go for a 0.33 as the attack. So it takes 1/3 of the bar, it comes in, and for 0.66, it's going to fade out. Let's check that out.
Okay then. Okay. Wow. I want to go back and look at this again because it's like going boop, 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 going a little bit faster, but this one's like, oh, it's heck. It's because the
Which I'm just going to call BPM. Okay.
okay. Oh, not that. There we go. 300? Okay, cool.
All right. That's not great, but that's okay. Because what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to start to treat this as something that we can make a little bit more interesting. Because I can go ahead and I can look up this amount of time and I can make this last for only that period of time. Okay, so for instance, if I wanted to, I could get this and I could say to this, I want to, and I just sending itself through. All right, cool. So the read receive, but
Let's see. This is called bar trigger. That's something I can do here. Hold
trigger.
okay. Interesting. I'm kind of looking at this. This is like something you have like in UDK, like Unreal Engine 3, where there are three. There are actually now things that's going here and going here. Which I'll be honest, I don't know why they went back to it, but they went back with it.
Okay, so we're on. If I hit play, that's kind of just sending itself through. All right, cool. So the reason I did this is I'm also going to go ahead and I'm just going to duplicate it. But this time, instead of having this as the bar, I will actually make one that is beat trigger.
Okay. I was thinking about beat time. Okay, cool. So we have inputs of on play. We got multiple. We can have multiple of these, but we can't have multiple variables. Okay.
Trigger spelled correctly. And I'm going to make one called beat time. Okay. Because if I wanted to, I could get these. Okay. I could get this exact same logic that we've got right now. And I could start to layer multiple effects on top of each other. It would help if I plug them all in. Okay.
Actually, hold up a second. Time out. This is gonna be just end up me being going back and forth on the tutorial and just trying to get this going. Instead of doing that, I want to try to do some. Instead of doing that, I think I'll do this offline doing this, and then sharing that information, sharing what I learned about what I did. So instead of just doing all this, I'm just going to do this on my own time. So now, in that case, I'll end it right here. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. Monday I'll be back and I'll be doing, and what we'll be doing next is being able to try to create models, prototype levels, and creation of the Unreal with dynamic mesh and with dynamic mesh. I might actually skip on terrains because terrains I don't think I need to do any terrains work. But yeah, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time. All right. Bye.